one accounting quiz related to the topic accounting meaning and scope. Question number one: financial accounting, management accounting, cost accounting, social responsibility accounting, human resource accounting. All are all are subfields of accounting. Know the results of business operation for a particular period of time. How we know the results of operation? By preparing manufacturing, trading, and profit and loss account. Yes, manufacturing, trading, profit and loss account. We know the results of operation for a particular period by preparing manufacturing, trading, and profit and loss account. Question number three: internal users of accounting information may include investors, shareholders, government, lenders, suppliers, customers, public. They are external users. Board of directors, partners, customers, managers. Customers are external users. Board of directors, partners, managers, officers. Yes, all are internal users. Yes. Next question: investors, shareholders, government, lenders, suppliers, customers, public. All are external users of accounting. Process of accounting: ledger, journal, no. Journal, trial balance, no. Balance sheet, ledger, no. Journal, ledger, trial balance, final accounts. Right. Accounting objective: know the solvency position. Yes. Tax evasion, no. Provide information to users. Yes. All are objectives of accounting except tax evasion. Right answer. Accounting is historical in nature. That is true. Accounting does not reflect the current financial position or worth of the business. That's also true. Facts recorded in financial statements are influenced by personal judgments of the management. Are influenced. Yes, that also true. Price changes are not considered in accounting. That also true. Non-monetary items are considered in accounting. That is false. So all are limitation of accounting except E. All are limitation of accounting except E. Balance sheet. Balance sheet, ascertainment of financial position. That is right answer. Results of business operation, no. It's a part of bookkeeping, no. All of the above, no. Ascertainment of financial position. Board of directors, partners, managers, officers. All are internal users. Yes. Satisfy the requirement of law. Know the solvency position, systematic record of business transaction, tax evasion. Know the results of business operation, provide information to users for decision making. Know the solvency position. Satisfy the requirement of law. All are objectives of accounting except this tax evasion. All are objectives of accounting except tax evasion. Accounting identify weakness of the operational system. Accounting assess performance achieved in relation to target. That's true. This also true. Accounting helps in forecasting future performance. True. Accounting measures past performance of the business. All true. Objectives of accounting: know the results of business operation. Right. Systematic record of all business transaction. Right. Know the financial position of the business. Right. All are objectives of accounting. Systematic recording of transactions. Bookkeeping. Yes, bookkeeping do systematic record of transaction. Journal, ledger, and trial balance. Right. Measurement, forecasting, decision making, comparison and evaluation, control, government regulation, and taxation. All are functions of accounting. Negotiating with seller, accepting quotations. These are not a financial transaction. not a financial transaction. Both are non-financial transactions. Non-financial events. Accounting excludes quantitative elements like management, reputation, employee morale, labor strike, etc. True. Personal judgment of the accountant or management are not involved in accounting but involved in accounting. Accounting reflects current financial position or worth of a business since accounting are not historical nature. So these two are false. Only statement number 1 is true. All false except statement number 1. Right. Accounting cycles: recording in journal, posting into ledger, preparation of final accounts, preparation of trial balance. No. Recording in journal, preparation of trial balance. No. Recording in journal, posting into ledger, preparation of trial balance, and preparation of final accounts. Okay, this is the right answer. Here recording, not posting. So this is the right answer. Non-financial transaction does not involve money or money's worth. Accounting consider only financial transaction. Both are true. Non-financial items are ignored in accounting. That also true. Accounting is the language of business. That also true. Accounting is base of bookkeeping. No. Bookkeeping is base of accounting. So all true except E. Statement E is false. 19. Know the financial position of the business. How we know the financial position of the business? Through balance sheet. Bookkeeping includes recording of journal, posting in ledger, and balancing of accounts. Right? Financial position of the business can be ascertained through bookkeeping. That is false. In addition to bookkeeping activities, accounting involves summarizing, analyzing, interpreting, and communicating. That is true. So only B is false. All true except B.